Le temps sème, ceux qui s'aiment intentionnellement, le temps sème. Aussi les amants, s'aimant intensément, ils s'attirent comme deux aimants, mais ils se mentent, se démantèlent sans faire dans la dentelle. Inéluctablement, les mensonges durs blessent comme des morsures. Aimer l'amour, ce n'est pas aimer vraiment, c'est sûr. Mort précoce d'une histoire.
I think that's Dieppe in the distance.
Histoire de scène anticipe les migraines au cas où l'autre ne dégaine. Anxiogène, ambiance glaciale sous l'halogène. Même à distance, un halogène. Anticipation, complication. Célibataire exige éternelle, instantanée passion. Je ne sais pas si on fait bien ou si l'on faiblit. Si vite on s'enlace, si vite on s'oublie. Va me chercher.
Avenue Verte. Take a little detour from the path. It is so hot. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's hot. I had to ride the last kilometre or so without my tin lid on because, whoa. Well, I'm glad I stopped. Take a look at that. Gournay Embraer. Final destination for today. 28k to go and then another 230 in 2 days. Wunderbar! Something quite soothing about the sound of a church bell ringing. Lovely. That was the biggest hill yet. It just kept going on and on. Whew! It's too f***ing hot for hills. Oh, downhill. Starting to feel a bit tired now. Legs are getting a bit heavy. I've got some kind of trapped nerve or something in my neck from being bent over all day. That needs some working out. But still, I've been so lucky with the weather. My bike's in one piece. Nothing's fallen off it. So, as I do make the last 10 kilometres, I've got no complaints. I am ready to stop now though. Onwards! Sweet relief. I'm having mirage type visions of a tall, frosty, ice cold beer. So peaceful around here. Hope there's a little bar or something open. Woo. Pretty though. And there she is. Hallelujah. What a day. was a rough hour. Some hidden climbs, no water, and I think the hottest it's been. Whew.